moccasin gap, the troubles piled upon my back, thicker than pine tree sap. I follow the trail with knotty pine and dogwood blooms like fireflies. It's a rapture right before my eyes. I raised my head and I saw you face. It took me to the wall, walked me right in. I closed my eyes, let your memory go, sink right to the bottom of the moccasin gap. This old river can ease my mind with water green as a melon. Think I'll stay a while and take my time. Questions come and questions go, but I stopped asking long ago. There's some things only the river knows. I raised my head and I saw you face. It took me to the water, walked me right in. I closed my eyes, let your memory go, and sink right to the bottom of the moccasin gap. And I saw you face. It took me to the water, and walked me right in.